Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Abdul Kader. My ID is 173291102. Today's my presentation topic is humidification and dehumidification. First of all, define humidification. Humidification is a unit operation which involves the transfer of liquid water into water vapor. And dehumidification. Define dehumidification. Dehumidification is a process in which the moisture is decreased in the air. That means transfer of vapor to liquid state. The transfer process depends on the temperature and humidity that are already present in the air. Therefore, it is an equilibrium process. Define humidity. Humidity is the concentration of water vapor present in the air. There are three primary measurements of humidity. First one is absolute humidity. Absolute humidity is the mass of water in the air. That means expressed as a gram of water vapor per cubic meter volume of air. And second one is relative humidity. Relative humidity is the amount of water in the air compared to the amount of water the water could possibly hold. An example of relative humidity: if the air is holding half of the water, it could hold it. Relative humidity is 50%. If the air is holding no water, relative humidity is 0%. And if it holding half of water, it is could hold 25%. And note this: humidity values are usually given as relative humidity. And the third one is specific humidity. Specific humidity is the mass of water vapor present in a unit mass of air. And factor that affect the relative humidity: first one is amount of water, and second one is temperature. Amount of water: if you increase the amount of water in the air, relative humidity will go up. And temperature: since warm water air can hold more water than cold air. If you lower the temperature, the relative humidity will go up. If you don't add more water. Consideration of humidity. Preservation of pharmaceuticals. Preservation of pharmaceuticals: the substance absorb moisture and undergo chemical degradation when exposed to excessive humidity. And if effect in physical stability of drugs and dosage forms: gelatin capsule absorb moisture and become soft and sticky. Hard gelatin capsules lose water and become dry and brittle in low humidity. Substituted creams become sticky. And maintenance of equipment: sophisticated electronic equipments are placed, and orc is carried in air conditioned rooms. And compression of tablets: manufacture of soft gelatin capsule. Specific conditions are not prescribed. And industrial humidifier. How does work industrial humidifier? A humidifier increases humidity in a simple room or in the entire unit connected to a HVAC system to provide humidity to the entire area. And humidity is raised by passing air through a weighted matrix is a sample and safe way. Dry air passes through this moist material, packing up water, raising the humidity. The most common humidifier is a evaporate humidifier. That's all. Thank you.